Hi guys, so today we'll be making stir-fry spaghetti. You can also call it stir-fry pasta. We'll be needing yellow bell peppers, red, and also green bell peppers for this recipe. Slice all your veggies into a thin slice as shown in this video. So you also need carrots and also green beans for this particular recipe I'm teaching you guys today. You guys, everybody that tasted this food loved it. So I am removing this white stuff in the green pepper, just like the way I did for the yellow pepper as well. It's always bitter, so it's advisable to remove it before you cut. As usual, every ingredient will be listed down below with their measurement. So this is, you need your curry, you need your seasoning cube, you need your salt, and you need your spice just to elevate the taste of your food. So you'll be needing your water, and you add salt to your water. Then make sure your water is boiled before you add your spaghetti. So for this particular video, I used Tesco spaghetti. You can put your water on the fire while you chop every other veggies that you need to chop. Once your water is boiled, just add your spag, and I added a little bit of oil into the spag. For your pepper mixture, you will need your curry and thyme. You add your curry and thyme to the oil so as to elevate the taste. Then you add your onions and you add your tomato paste. Make sure your tomato paste fry for some minutes. I'm going to link everything down below, how many minutes you need to wait for your curry and thyme to fry. My pepper mixture has been cooked, so I just added it and I mixed it all, and I added my seasoning cube, I added my veggies, and I mixed them all together. If you are going to be using any protein, this is the time for you to add your protein and let it just steam for some minutes, and add your cooked spag into the mixture and mix. And yes, your stir-fried spaghetti is ready. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Let me know if you try it and how it tasted.